So today is our final day here. Well, tomorrow we'll be here for a little while, but we do check out tomorrow. So this is the jerk cut. We're about to spend some time on the beach, get some good pictures in. So I don't think I brought y'all out to this part. So I just got me a drink, and the jerk cut serves like little snacks. So I may eat some lunch here today. Yeah, I literally cannot even see. Hey. All right, y'all. So, not the phone falling, but we finally made it to Zen. We had reservations today for 5:30. If I would have known it was gonna rain, we would have kept the later reservation. But this is one of the really hard to get in spots, and we made reservations for 5:30. So we're here and about to eat some hibachi. Y'all, our cook just got here. We had our appetizers. I am so bad when it comes to filming while I'm eating. My mind goes straight to eat your food. I can't do what other people do.
Look at mine. I spit it out.
They told her to taste the raw tuna. So I'm like, So I didn't eat mine. And she's sitting there waiting on me to eat mine. When she noticed,
You a liar. Because I thought you ate it and you didn't.
when she noticed I didn't eat mine, she spit hers out. That ain't gonna have me sick. I don't eat no raw tuna. So is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong board. What my thing was on? La 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 la. Do 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 do. My God, here. Wait till I eat your face.
Yes.
Oh!
I said I was okay. Okay, one more time. Oh! Damien, you doing that on purpose. You doing that on purpose. Yes.
Did you get it? No. It's good you didn't get it.
You know what? Forget it. You getting rice everywhere. Marijuana spice.
That's that green stuff. Uh-huh.
I don't know if I want any marijuana spice.
You correct? You know, I'm just gonna break the back on you break, okay?
Huh?
Thank you. Yes. I ain't recording.
Oh.
I won't record nothing.
You always do that. Y'all, she on my nerves. Why you couldn't catch that rice?
But it bounced off my teeth.
You better, you better be happy you catch it. That shit tastes like paper. What song that is, Damien?
It's been a long, long time.
Okay, Damien. I was taking your video. I was doing a video of you.
Oh, you videoing Xavier?
Yeah.
Chicken.
Ooh, I'm there.
That's with tilapia. Really small piece. Shrimp. Rice. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the travel requirements. So this is basically what it took for me to successfully travel to and from Jamaica. So this basically is the website where you have to go. It's visitjamaica.com. And this is where you would go to fill out your travel authorization form. So you do have to have a travel authorization form, and then you also have to sign off on the health and wellness form. But really the health and wellness form was like a kind of like a, once I read over it, it was kind of like a quarantine order. So basically saying like if you get sick or anything like that, you agree to like quarantine and stuff like that. With the travel authorization form, this website did not allow us to fill out our form until a week before we were getting ready to leave. So keep that in mind as well. We tried to go ahead and fill it out as soon as we knew that we would need to have it. But our date wasn't available until the week before we were scheduled to go to Jamaica. And also, guys, you do not have to have the travel authorization form to book your flight, but you will have to have it. They do check those once you get to the airport to check in. Also, you are unable to, you know how usually you can check in early for your flight. You will be unable to do that because your travel authorization and your negative COVID-19 test results have to be shown before they allow you to check in. So we were like looking really crazy when we went to go and check in online. We flew through Delta, and once we contacted Delta, they let us know like you are unable to check in because you have to present this paperwork at the airport. So keep that in mind as well, and don't get scared if you're unable to check in for your flight. It just has to be done at the airport due to having to show the travel authorization. So also with the COVID-19 situation, you do have to have a negative COVID test, whether you're vaccinated or not, in order to travel to and from Jamaica. There are a few types of tests that they will accept, and they also do check this at the airport. So once you take your COVID test, you need to make sure that well, for mine, leaving, I had a PCR test. So a lot of the rapid tests, or if you try to test yourself at home, a lot of those are not accepted unless they are like a PCR test. And I think the one that we had leaving Jamaica was an antigen test. Okay, y'all, and so this form here is the stay in resilient order, which is just a quarantine order that lets you know what you have to do if you do catch COVID while you're in Jamaica. And then this here is the travel authorization form. So it just puts like all of your information, your passport number and everything. This is what the test results were. So as you can see on this one, it does say the antigen sample type for the test. And then the one that I had leaving was a PCR test. And y'all, we did stay at the Royalton Blue Waters, and it was free for us to do our COVID testing to leave. They do have a minimum. So you see where it says, note that reservations should have a 3-night minimum length of stay in order to receive the service free of charge in Jamaica and Cancun. So I did see some reviews where people were saying they were charged to take their COVID test, but it could be that they just didn't stay long enough. We were there for 6 days and 5 nights. All right, y'all, that's all I have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Jamaica was a vibe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.